Here I'm doing another self-improvement block of the day. I had a commenter comment on one of my videos talking about sobriety and alcohol. And he said, gosh, I'm sober now, but I really miss being able to just blow off steam. And I hear you. Yeah, like I say, you have to say goodbye to your old life that had alcohol deeply woven throughout it and start a new life. Paint your new canvas. So, hold on a second. Keep running! Got my 13-year-old trying to get into shape here for football camp. Camp starts next week, so I want him to get in a little better shape. Anyway, so to blow off steam, what I do is I exercise and I improve my life through other means like gardening, keeping my yard nice, growing vegetables, cooking, things like that. I find things that keep me captivated and interested. Hence also a YouTube channel. So, as far as blowing off steam, brisk walk out in the sunshine, that helps a lot. So, don't try to recreate your old life and try to recreate your stress reliefs from that life of alcohol. Build a new life and focus on other things. I know, easier said than done. But after you get past the first 6 months, man, it gets so much easier. Trust me. I don't even think about it anymore. Speaking of getting my son in shape for football, I have all my kids in sports year round. I was never in sports as a kid. And I wish I had been, because I would have had more things to keep me distracted, more things to keep me busy, more things tiring me out. So at the end of the day, I wasn't searching for trouble. And as a consequence of not having sports, I've always been overweight and out of shape. I'm controlling that and fixing it starting now. But I'm giving my kids a head start, and I want to ensure that their life is not fraught with the struggles that I had to go through and overcome. So there he is. He's getting in shape. As a 13-year-old, 6'2", 210 pounds, size 13.5 shoes. He's a big boy. And I want him to get in shape so he can be dominant. Feels good to be dominant. Find something you're dominant at and dominate at it. Anyway, just doing my 1 mile loop, checking in for the day. Those are all the thoughts I had. I hope you have a good day.